Imagine yourself in this Ford 2019 Super Duty F-250 SRW Platinum. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include electronic locking with 3.55 axle ratio, FX4 off-road package included, unique FX4 off-road box decal off-road specifically tuned shock absorbers, front rear hill descent control transfer case in fuel tank skid plates, upfitter switches, 6 included, located in overhead console, tub bed spray in bed liner included, tailgate guard, black box bed tie-down hooks and black bed attachment bolts, Platinum Ultimate package included, twin panel power moonroof map lights and moonroof switches, ultimate trailer tow camera system, 360-degree camera system and trailer reverse guidance display appears in center stack screen. Note: does not include customer placed trailer camera, rear CHMSL camera display in center stack screen, LED center high